out occasionally. Like, you can't like there, but there's like all these clubs. I'm freaking out. There's like 28 minutes, so we got like one round to go. We gotta go. Hear the airplane over. Like 20 minutes. 20-minute round. We gotta get back. It's just reading about 25 miles away. It says from the storm. Most times. No, not. Reason spotted. Never realized or viewed or very unsure to say this. Ever gotten within about 20 feet of deer? Realize the size. As for deer or moose, and the potential to get too close. So there's about four deer and about I'm fully around a lamppost, but getting close around certain times, fewer aids should things should get too close. The understanding, because turned onto a street at the end. There's the 4 deer. Almost got to the end, but recalled something from the national parks about buffalo, and this is about 30 feet away or something, or 30 meters. And for deer, they're about about 5 feet, maybe 5 feet to maybe 6. To the thought, maybe a deer might don't see that. So that's something to think on. Okay, gotta start going. To fill some white sprinkles in. Already thinking potentially gotta get an LG back faster. Usually go forward, but lightning storms always go the safer route. Um, I'm sure say this. Just glance up at that sky. These clouds are almost invisible to start and end per cloud. So, gonna get off soon just to avoid. But that's the cause of stopping to avoid storms. Could also mention something that something to note when we're going out around a storm. There's there's always the awareness to avoid going alone, because it's struck by lightning about rain. Need someone to get to safety, and maybe fewer odds, unsure. So just try to avoid going alone. On clouds that are very expansive, unclear, the occurrence for weather, safer to guess. Understanding of weather and awareness of animal behavior allows chances for survival. So the rains start about 20 minutes, about 15 minutes. Already the light rain started. So gotta get to gotta return. Weather safety unsure on the habits. Uh, Riding, see vehicles out and about. I think safer to go in at the second. The rain's very, very light, but usually there's rounds of lightning nearby, so uh, staying aware. Oh, the storm's already started. No lightning, but the storm started. But because the phone gotta go. Those clouds are just uh merged, about merged entirely. Almost there. Uh, let's see. And shelter. Actually, the vlog is the set around alternative topic, but the storm. Let's take this coat off. Uh, Unsure to track lightning, but there's this occasion gone out, but fairly close. About some football fields away from our neighborhood. The lightning was going got to the point. The lightning's like going about. There's about two areas that are like outside the neighborhood. Um, and about one about midway, another about the start of the neighborhood. So viewing the bounce between uh, viewing the lightning go to the two neighborhood areas. That was that was uh, notable. So starting to go forward or toward the mid, and then start to go even further toward the end of the neighborhood. But on second thought, start to head since the lightning uh, probably going to continue further. But the lightning bouts between the mid and the start, and our location's about between that. So, noting that we need to get back, but then aware that actually out there by lightning, there's awareness, uh, realizing uh, there's a storm, and practically just viewing the storm that sets in, and the need to return at that moment, essentially stuck between the two lightning spots. So that there's like the beginning and the middle, but that's like at the opposite side, or that's at the top of the neighborhood, but was already at the bottom of the neighborhood, but between the two spots. So essentially, just just gone, and uh, try to return because unsure. Battery probably almost out. Though 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 even called. Um, at the end, gone essentially to the venue, just to the venue, because the vehicle, though searching, never got to me. So essentially, Though actually freaked out uh cuz just just the awareness. Uh there was there's even a few neighbors that got out on the driveway. Uh there's uh there's a lady, and she she's so surprised. Uh she's so surprised and noting the uniqueness. The couple the couple heads straight to the house, and at that moment too, because about the time's about 6, but sky's about dark, so 6 to 8 or so p.m. But essentially, from that moment, uh, there's about a few neighbors, most are driving straight over to their place and go. But pretty much no rain though. Um, a certain moment realized that um the areas the lighting is like around, they they're essentially rem- staying about the staying about those areas, and from there uh from there just gone because there's essentially no to stay there. The lighting might get close to um to return. To stay there, the lighting's going to maybe get closer, but um to try to return the safer safer option almost. But that's essentially the story. Okay,